class. Do you remember what we studied in our last class? Yes, we studied about houses. In that, we learned different parts of the house, then how to keep our house clean and all. So, today we are continuing with the same chapter, our house. So, chapter 8, our house. Chapter 8, our house. Chapter 8, our house.
Today, we are going to discuss the activities and notes of chapter 8. Okay? That is chapter 8, our houses. First of all, new words. Shelter, house, cold, rain, heat, kacha house, pakka house, then roof, windows, doors, bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, living room, dining room, study room. Shelter, SHELTER. House, HOUSE. Cold, COLD. Rain, RAIN. Heat, HEAT. Kacha house, KUTCHA. HOUSE. Kacha house. Pakka house, PUCCA. HOUSE. Pakka house. Then roof, ROOF. Windows, WINDOWS. Doors, DOORS. Bedroom, BEDROOM. Kitchen, KITCHEN. Bathroom, BATHROOM. Living room, LIVINGROOM. Living room. Dining room, DININGROOM. Dining room. Study room, STUDYROOM. Study room. Fill in the blanks. First one, home is our first dash. Okay, home is our first school. Second one, sunlight and fresh air enters our home through dash. Sunlight and fresh air enters our home through windows. Third one, we can get in and out of our homes through dash. We can get in and out of our homes through doors. Fourth one, we do different things in different dash. We do different things in different rooms. Fifth one, the room where we sleep is a dash. The room where we sleep is the bedroom. Okay. Then sixth one, We grow fruits and vegetables in our dash. We grow fruits and vegetables in our garden. Seventh one. Cars are parked in a dash. Cars are parked in a garage. Garage. Okay. Then eighth one. A dash house is the best house. A clean house is the best house. A clean house is the best house. Ninth one. The walls of dash are built with mud. The walls of hut. The walls of huts are built with mud. Tenth one. The walls of Pakka house are built with dash and dash. The walls of Pakka houses are built with bricks and cement. Bricks and cement. Okay. So the fill in the blanks are: home is our first dash. Home is our first school. Second one, sunlight and fresh air enters our home through windows. We can get in and out of our homes through doors. We do different things in different rooms. The room where we sleep is bedroom. We grow fruits and vegetables in our garden. Cars are parked in a garage. A dash house is the best house. A clean house is the best house. The walls of dash are built with mud. The walls of huts are built with mud. Last one. The walls of Pakka houses are built with bricks and cement. Okay. Next one is true or false. Write true for the correct statement and false for the wrong statement. We spend time with our family at home. We spend time with our family at home. It's true. It's a correct statement. So write true. Next one is a roof keeps the house dry during rain. The roof keeps the house dry during rain. That is true. We enters a house through windows. We enters a house through windows. We already learned that we enters a house through doors. We enters a house through doors. Here the statement is we enters a house through windows. So it's a wrong statement. So write false. Then fourth one, we sleep in the kitchen. We sleep in the kitchen. What we learned? We sleep in the bedroom. We sleep in bedroom. So here the statement is we sleep in the kitchen. So it's a wrong statement. So write false. Then the fifth one, the family gets together in the living room. The family gets together in the living room. It's a true statement. So write true. Sixth one, we should keep our things in place. We should keep our things in place. It's a true statement. So please write true. Okay. So true or false? We spend time with our family at home. We spend most of our time with our family at home, isn't it? So it's a true statement. Then the roof keeps house dry during the rain. It's true. We enters a house through windows. It's false statement. We sleep in the kitchen. It's also false. Fifth one, the family gets together in the living room. True. Sixth one, we should keep our things in place. True. Match the following. First of all, I'll read the A section, that is tent, tree house, igloo, houseboat and hut. A part is tent, tree house, igloo, houseboat, and hut. B portion is built of snow blocks, made of canvas cloth, made upon tree, then kacha house, float on water. B is built of snow blocks, made of canvas cloth, made upon trees, kacha house, and float on water. Okay, you have to match correctly. So tent, you have to match tent with tent, you know. It is made of canvas cloth. Tent is made of canvas cloth. So please match. Then tree house built upon trees. Made upon trees. So tree house matched to made upon trees. Good. Then igloo. Igloo. We learned that igloo built of snow blocks. Igloo built of snow blocks. Good. Then houseboat. Houseboat float on water. Houseboat float on water. Good. And hut. Hut we learned as an example for kacha house. An example for kacha house is hut. So match the hut towards kacha house. Okay. So tent to made of canvas cloth. Then tree house made upon trees. Then igloo built of snow blocks. Houseboat float on water. And hut kacha house. Okay, so match properly. Okay, good. Next is answer the following. Answer the following. First question. Where do we cook food? Where do we cook food? We cook food in the kitchen. We cook food in the kitchen. Okay, where do we cook food? Kitchen. We cook food in the kitchen. Okay. Second one. Where do we sleep? We sleep in the bedroom. We sleep in the bedroom. Good. Third question. Where do people live in polar regions? Where do people live in polar regions? We learn and I show the model also. Yes, it's igloo. Yes, where do people live in the polar regions? It's igloo. People live in the polar regions in igloo. Then, how many families live in the apartments individually? How many families live in the apartments individually? Many families. Okay, the answer is many families. Then the fifth one, how does the house protect us? How does the house protect us? The house protect us from cold, rain and heat. The house protect us from cold, rain and heat. Okay. The question answers are, where do we cook food? We cook food in the kitchen. We cook food in the kitchen. Where do we sleep? Second one, where do we sleep? We sleep in the bedroom. Third one, where do people live in polar regions? The answer is igloo. Fourth one, how many families live in the apartments individually? How many families live in the apartments individually? Answer is many families. Then the fifth question is, how does the house protect us? How does the house protect us? The house protect us from cold, rain and heat. The house protect us from cold, rain and heat. Okay children, please write the notes in your notebook. Okay. Next one is one activity. One activity for you, that is paste different types of houses in your notebook. Paste different types of houses in your notebook. Okay, take your textbook, page number 176. Page number 176. Okay. There in this page 176 we can see different types of houses. Okay. Here, houses are of many types. Look at the pictures of different types of houses. Name each house using the words from the help box. Name each house using the words from the help box. Below the picture, you can see the help box. There it is given bungalow, tent, stilt house, igloo, apartment, kacha house and houseboat. Below it is given bungalow, tent, stilt house, igloo, apartment, kacha house and houseboat. What you have to do is you just observe the pictures carefully and write the correct name. Okay, pick out the words from the help box and write the correct name. So first one, observe the picture. What is that? First one is what? First one, you know, it's a hut. Hut is an example for we learned that hut is an example for kacha house. So you just write kacha house below that. Okay, one, you just write kacha house. Then second picture, observe the second picture. You know that. Yes, it's igloo. It's igloo made up of snow blocks. Okay. Then third one, it's bungalow. You just write bungalow. 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 Then fourth one, yes, it's houseboat. It's houseboat. Okay. Then fifth one, the house built upon long poles. House built upon long poles are known as stilt house. So you just write stilt house. Fifth one is stilt house. Then sixth one is apartment. Sixth one is apartment. And seventh one is what? Seventh one is tent. It's a temporary house. We can shift it from one place to another. That is tent. Okay. So first one is kacha house. Second igloo. Third one bungalow. Fourth one houseboat. Fifth one stilt house. Sixth one apartment. And seventh one is tent. Okay. Take page number 177 of your EVS textbook. Take page number 177 of your EVS textbook. Here B. Tick the things you would do to keep your home clean. Tick the things you would do to keep your home clean. See, the 4 pictures are given. So please observe those pictures and tick the things you would do to keep your home clean. Okay. So observe these pictures carefully and tick the things you would do to keep your home clean. നിങ്ങളുടെ വീടുകൾ വൃത്തിയായി സൂക്ഷിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി നിങ്ങൾ എന്തൊക്കെയാണ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? ഇതിൽ ചെയ്യുന്ന കാര്യങ്ങളാണെങ്കിൽ മാത്രം ടിക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. ഓക്കെ. Next one, C. Tick the things you would use to clean your homes. Here 8 things are given. If you use these things to keep your home clean, then tick that one. Okay. So tick the things you would use to clean your homes. Please observe the picture and tick the one you use to clean your homes. നമ്മുടെ വീടുകൾ വൃത്തിയാക്കുവാൻ വേണ്ടി നമ്മൾ ഉപയോഗിക്കുന്നതായ കുറച്ച് സാധനങ്ങൾ ഇതിലുണ്ട്. ആ സാധനങ്ങൾ മാത്രം നിങ്ങൾ ടിക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. ഓക്കെ. Take page number 178 of your EVS textbook. There D. Look at the picture. Make the room tidy by putting the things in their places. Write the correct number in each circle. Okay. Make the room tidy by putting the things in their places. Write the correct number in each circle. Okay. So please observe the picture carefully and write the correct number below. The first one, you can see the picture of shirt and trouser. Second one, books. Third, a photo frame. Fourth one, pen. Then fifth one, pillow. Sixth one, toys. Seventh one, shoes. Okay. So you just put the correct number in the circle, blank circles given below. Okay. That is, you just put the shirt and trouser in the wardrobe. Then books on the shelf. Then third one, photo frame near the table lamp. Then pen on the table. Then pillow on the bed. Then toys. You can see a box. Inside the box, you have to keep inside the box. Then shoes in the shoe rack. Okay. So put the correct number over there. ഓക്കെ ഇതിൽ ഓരോ പിക്ചറിനും ഓരോ നമ്പർ കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ ആ നമ്പർ താഴെ കാണുന്ന ഒരു പിക്ചറിൽ അവിടെ എഴുതി വെച്ചാൽ മാത്രം മതിയാവും. അതായത് ഇപ്പം ഈ ഷർട്ടും ട്രൗസറും അത് കിടക്കേണ്ടത് ആ വാർഡ്രോബിലാണ്. ആ വാർഡ്രോബിൻ്റെ അവിടെ ഒരു പ്ലെയിൻ സർക്കിൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കാണാം. സർക്കിളിനകത്ത് നമ്പർ എഴുതിയിട്ടില്ല. അപ്പോൾ അവിടെ നിങ്ങൾ 1 എന്നുള്ള നമ്പർ ചെയ്താൽ മതി. ഓക്കെ. അങ്ങനെയാണ് ഫുള്ള് കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ചെയ്താൽ മാത്രം മതിയാവും. ഈ ആക്ടിവിറ്റി അതാണ്. ഓക്കെ. താങ്ക് യു.